Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a Harvest Mani using 3 colors from Bling Galleria. The first color here, it's called Marigold, and it is stunning. It is the perfect golden yellow. It's like the mixture between that golden yellow and dark. Super pretty, and it's going to look great on a lot of skin tones. And then we have Maroon on an Island, which is a stunning fine glitter. And it's a maroon glitter, and this glitter is so pretty and super reflective. I really like that sparkle, and the color is simply beautiful. And then we have Luxurious, which is a super fun glitter. So it's a chunky glitter, but yet it has a mixture of some fine glitter in there. So it's a white glitter, and then you have accents of gold, which is super pretty. And I just really like that white chunky glitter. It's super different and it pairs perfectly with these other colors. Check it out. Isn't it beautiful? There's just something about these 3 colors that are screaming Harvest Mani, and I thought these colors would be perfect for the upcoming Thanksgiving season. We are going to create a fun press-on mani for this, and we will be doing the gel method. Stay tuned. We will be doing a regular dip powder mani soon with Bling Galleria, and we're going to use some other awesome colors. So stay tuned for that. All right, so I'll go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. right, check out this mani. I really like how it turned out. I think these three colors together are perfect together. Maroon on an Island is simply gorgeous, and Luxurious is stunning with that white glitter and the pops of gold, which really makes that accent nail of Marigold pop. And Luxurious was actually really easy to work with. Chunky glitters can be difficult, but these were really awesome and they laid flat. You just got to move them around a little bit, show it some love, and it turned out perfectly. I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-ons, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!